Hello, my name's Nicole, and I'm this year's Food Corps School Nutrition Service member with the New Jersey Department of Agriculture. I hope you had a chance to watch part 1 of this video series for March's Jersey Tastes Kale, where we made kale chips. In this video, since kale is a leafy green, we're going to learn about the types of leaf structures and the name of the parts that make up that leaf. We're all used to seeing leaves, but have you ever stopped to think why they look the way they do? First, we're going to draw a picture of a kale leaf on a piece of paper. You can do this by drawing freehand or by placing a leaf under the piece of paper and gently rubbing a crayon back and forth over the paper. Now that we have our drawing, let's begin by labeling the parts of a leaf that we're able to see. The blade is the main part of the leaf. All of it except for the veins, stem, and petiole. The blade of the leaf takes in sunlight and turns it into food. It is also where the plant breathes, and it's also sometimes called the lamina. The stem supports the leaf just like our skeleton supports us. The picture I have here of a kale leaf doesn't contain the stem, so I've labeled where the stem would be if the image continued. Next is the petiole, or the stalk of the leaf, which attaches the stem to the plant. Its job is to hold the leaf to the rest of the plant. The veins, or vascular bundle, have the important job of transporting or moving water, minerals, and energy throughout the leaf to the rest of the plant. Let's look at the veins in our drawing of the kale leaf. Do we see these patterns anywhere else in nature? Did anyone think it resembled a stream or a river on a map? Did it remind anyone of the veins in the human body? The veins in the leaf do things similar to what the veins in our body do. So it's possible that these structures, like veins in a leaf, veins in humans, and streams flowing into rivers, are the most efficient shape for transport, whether that's blood, plant nutrients, or water. The epidermis is the outer protective layer of the leaf. Us humans have an epidermis too. Our skin. Epidermis is a fancy word for skin. Sometimes the leaf may be waxy because the epidermis secretes a waxy protective cuticle. This waxy covering protects the leaf, and in the case of kale, it's the reason that it's so cold hardy. Now let's talk about the parts of the leaf that we cannot see. Since we cannot see these parts of the leaf, you can label them in your drawing anywhere you would like. Photosynthesis is the process of leaves converting light energy into food for the plant. Carbon dioxide and water are used in photosynthesis, and oxygen is released. Even though we can't see this process happening, it's important, because without it, we wouldn't get any energy from eating plants. Leaves are the part of the plant that's richest in chlorophyll, which is what makes them green. So we actually can kind of see chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is used in the process of photosynthesis like we talked about before. When we eat kale, the chlorophyll supports our body in making blood, and it supports our liver in getting rid of the bad stuff or toxins that are in our blood. Nutrients contained in the plant give us energy. Leaves can be considered food factories for a plant. Things inside the plant that we cannot see convert energy from the sun into energy for the plant, or nutrient. The plant uses these nutrients, and us humans get to use the nutrients as well when we eat the plants. Vitamins are a type of nutrient, And the vitamins found in leafy green plants support our skin. They also help our immune system block sicknesses and help our body and our brain. Leafy greens contain vitamins A, B, C, E, and K. Minerals are a different type of nutrient that are also found in leafy greens. These minerals support our bones, our heart, and our nervous system. They also keep us from getting sick. Leafy greens like kale frequently contain calcium, sulfur, and magnesium. Let's reflect on what we learned today. Did you learn anything in this video that surprised you? Why do you think leaves are structured the way they are? I hope you had a great time learning about kale today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!